In the enchanted realm of Neverland, where the stars twinkle like diamonds and dreams take flight, Peter Pan soared through the warm breeze, his heart filled with adventure. Beside him flitted Tinker Bell, her wings shimmering with fairy dust. Together, they ventured towards the horizon painted in hues of orange and violet as the sun kissed the sky. The whispers of distress had reached them through the fluttering leaves and the murmurs in the coral caves. The colorful reefs near Mermaid Lagoon were losing their luster, and Peter was determined to uncover why. "Tink, what do you think is happening to the coral reefs?" Peter asked, concern lining his voice. "The magical balance is shifting," Tinker Bell replied, her voice tinged with worry. "The reefs are vital to the ocean's creatures and gardeners of the sea. We must restore them before it's too late." As they approached the lagoon, Peter and Tink discovered the reefs looking pale, and the sea creatures swimming anxiously in reduced numbers. Peter's eyes widened in horror at the sight of broken coral branches and murky waters. "This cannot be. Neverland used to be so vibrant," he exclaimed. Tinker Bell pondered for a moment, then sprinkled a trail of fairy dust over the water, allowing them to glimpse the hidden magic under the waves. They saw that the coral reefs, once bursting with life and colors, were suffocating under an invasion of pollutants and neglect. Peter Pan, ever the fearless leader, declared, "We need to clean this mess. Tink, gather the lost boys, and let's all work together to save the reefs." United by Peter's call, the lost boys and the mermaids joined the effort. With nets and bags, they began removing garbage from the vibrant underworld. Meanwhile, Tinker Bell orchestrated a symphony of sparkling fairy dust, restoring vitality to the reefs with each sprinkle. Throughout the ordeal, Peter shared stories with the lost boys about the importance of nature and the ocean, how each tree, cloud, and wave was a living part of Neverland. As the teamwork unfolded, the coral began to regain its splendor. Fish swirled in clusters, celebrating the newfound vigor of their undersea playground. When finally the job was done, and the reefs were once again the life force of the lagoon, Peter looked around proudly. "There shall be no neglect in Neverland," he proclaimed, his eyes bright with triumph.